2023 में हम पहुंच चुके हैं
जी सर।
12th में एक पैराग्राफ 21
जी सर। 12 May 2007 Karachi massacre. General Pervez Musharraf had removed Chief Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry on 9th May 2007. A peaceful movement which came to be known as the Lawyers' Movement to restore him and the independence of the judiciary commenced. On 12th May 2007, the Chief Justice was flying into Karachi. Lawyers and people from all walks of life wanted to receive the Chief Justice at the airport to express their support for him and an independent judiciary. General Musharraf, however, did not want the Chief Justice to be welcomed. Massive shipping containers were brought from the port on trucks and by using mobile cranes were placed across all roads leading to the airport. But this did not deter the people, who abandoned their vehicles and peacefully proceeded on foot to the airport. And this is when they were targeted by gunmen. 55% persons were mercilessly killed and hundreds suffered bullet injuries on 12 May 2007. The Muttahida Qawmi Movement, MQM, and its leaders Mr. Altaf Hussain supported General Musharraf. Incidentally, the shipping containers used to block roads were brought from ports which were under the domain of the federal minister in charge of ports, a nominee of the MQM. (2014) Dharna by PTI, PAT at Islamabad. PTI, PAT and their supporters had alleged that the results of the general elections held on 11th May 2013 were rigged. They protested and camped outside the National Assembly, played loud music till late at night and disrupted the peace and sleep of those living in the area. Litigants and even judges had to find alternative routes to reach the Supreme Court. The PTI, PAT Dharna took place on Constitution Avenue, but it did not paralyze the capital. The PMLN as a consequence of the continuous pressure agreed to the demand of PTI to promulgate a presidential ordinance to enable the setting up of a judicial commission to inquire into the conduct of the general elections of of 2013. The statement of objects and reasons of the ordinance explains the matter.
we can skip all that.
23. We have considered 3 different protests and the state's handling of them. On 12th May 2007.
We can add the 9th May.
Yeah.
4th one is there.
4th one. Awaiting the 5th one.
Given what we have read,
the whole world protests. I mean, the people came up against the Iraq war for the Palestinian people, even now as we speak, in European cities. Nobody is burning, breaking anything. Now it's becoming a norm. And what does this commission do? Complete waste of time. Were they paid or what were they doing with this commission?
They were paid.
What is this report? I'm surprised
They have to
senior
defend it, sir.
bureaucrats producing something like this.
They will have to defend it.
I mean, I don't know what they've come up with. The right to protest is part of democracy.
That's right.
The right to kill people, the right to destroy property is not. And those who do must be taken to task. It's as simple as that.
That's
whether
right.
you apply the law of Pakistan or whether you apply God's law.
Right, so, sir.
God's law is even more severe than the law of Pakistan. एक शख्स का कत्ल हो जैसे तमाम इंसानियत का कत्ल है और यहाँ 8 साल का बच्चा मर गया कोई बात नहीं, वहाँ 55 लोग कराची में मर गए कोई बात नहीं. आगे देखें, आगे चलें भाई, आगे नहीं पीछे से सबक सीखें और जो लोग सीखते नहीं उनको सिखाया जाना चाहिए. पता नहीं, और वो क्या चोरी और सीना जोरी, भाई माजरत तक नहीं होती है.
स्टेट को तो हर सूरत में असर्टिव होना पड़ेगा. जब तक स्टेट असर्टिव नहीं होगी, सेंटर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट कायम हो ही नहीं सकती.
मुल्क नहीं रह सकता है सर.
अब
वो
ये
चीजें लाजिम और मलजूम है.
नहीं रह सकता है.
अभी कोई हर जगह जाके आप आग लगाओ, भाई बहुत सारी चीजें हुई हैं तो पाकिस्तान बना बताएं कहाँ आग लगाई किसी ने, मुस्लिम लीग ने और इवन कांग्रेस फॉर दैट मैटर.
लायानी इश्यूज को इश्यूज बना करके इस तरीके के काम हो रहे हैं. अटॉर्नी जनरल साहब, कराची के अंदर वो बेचारा कोई मासूम जा रहा है मोटरसाइकिल के ऊपर, गाड़ी के ऊपर उसकी मोटरसाइकिल रोककर उसकी मोटरसाइकिल को आग लगा दिया. गाड़ी पे कोई मासूम जा रहा है बीवी बच्चों के साथ, उसकी गाड़ी को रोक के आग लगा दी. उसने तो कुछ नहीं किया, उस गाड़ी वाले ने बेचारे ने, उस मोटरसाइकिल वाले ने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया है. तो कहीं तो रुकना चाहिए.
But I'm really disappointed in this report. I mean, you called itself a report. What is it reporting? There were terms of reference. You have to give a finding or say we are incapable of carrying out our task. What are they doing? Wasting the time of the nation?
जी सर, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फिक्स करनी थी.
कुछ nothing.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी फिक्स होनी थी.
नेक्स्ट है पेमरा का चलें. वो अच्छा, टू इंक्वायर टू इनएक्शन ऑफ पेमरा. वैसे तो बहुत फुर्ती में होते हैं, यहाँ कुछ नहीं नजर आएगा उनको. प्रोपगेशन ऑफ वायलेंस, इनको कवरेज दो. आजकल तो है ना साउंड बाइट किसकी है, कोई आग लगा रहा है, ये कर रहा है, भाई चलो उसको लाइव टीवी पे दिखाओ या और लोगों को इश्तिहाल दिलाओ. आप इस तरह से पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हो कि ये गलत काम हो रहा है. हीरो बना के तो नहीं पोर्ट्रेट करें.
It was more like
और नहीं, और देखिए दूसरी बात ये है कि जो जितने रिव्यू वाले थे ना, आज कोई नहीं कह सकता है, कोई सियासी जमात नहीं कह सकती जिन्हें रिव्यू. ये सीधी सादी बात कर लो यार, भाई क्या क्या बातें कर रहे हैं.
Given the growing number of offences in all parts of the country, attracting provisions of PICA 2016, there is a need to designate the police as an investigating agency alongside FIA. In addition, both the police and must be...
What is they done? ये भाई बता रहे हैं चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी, इसका क्या ताल्लुक है ऐसी चीजों से? मतलब तकरीर झाड़ रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं ये कमीशन के मेंबर्स? Until recently, in pursuance of the act, your job was to ensure that these things don't happen. Fix some responsibility if you can. Given the number of offences in all parts of the country, there is a need to designate the police as an investigation agency alongside FIA. भाई आप ना पार्लियामान हो और ना कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ हो. एक तरफ ये पार्लियामान के हकूक ले रहे हैं, एक तरफ का हुकूमत के हकूक ले रहे हैं और एक तरफ कोर्ट के हकूक ले रहे हैं. भाई आपसे एक काम किया था कि ये आपके टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस में करके बता दीजिए आप कर सकते हैं, इस काबिल हैं या नहीं है. ये पता नहीं अजीब अजीब बातें कर रहे हैं. अब 4 इसके बाद वाला आ जाए, टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस 5.
To determine violation, if any, of the law and liability incurred by any or public office holder.
जरा ये पढ़िए, ये तो मजाक के इस बात, जरा इसका फाइंडिंग्स पढ़ें.
Please. So the findings are paragraph C onwards.
नहीं, ए से पढ़ें ना.